Our next speaker, Dr. Pavan Vadhavan, founder of Smile Tri-Origin Food Consciousness, an expert educationist of Tai Chi, Sujok acupuncture, and Alexander technique for posture correction. Dr. Pavan is diabetologist, critical care specialist, and nutritionist. He did his diploma in clinical endocrinology, fellowship in clinical echocardiography. I request you to please come on stage, Dr. Pavan Vadhavan. For welcoming Dr. Pavan Vadhavan, I request our students to provide him with a floral bouquet. He is one of the pioneers in diabetes reversal and adult echocardiography. Today, he'll be speaking on curing rheumatoid arthritis with Smile Tri-Origin Food Consciousness. I welcome you, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
I request our students to provide him with a floral welcome.
Smile evening, friends. First of all, I thank the organizing committee for inviting me for this talk. I am Pavan Vadhavan. Just to brief introduction of mine, I have done MBBS from prestigious Maulana Azad Medical College, then MD Internal Medicine from SDUMC Kolar. I have worked in prestigious hospitals, GB Pant Cardiology Department and Ram Manohar Lohia Hospital Endocrinology Department. I have done diploma in clinical endocrinology and diabetes from Royal College of Physicians, UK. I have done diploma in clinical echocardiography and was a practicing non-interventional cardiologist at Panipat. And I am a certified diabetologist from Cleveland Clinic, USA. I was practicing in Panipat since past 8 years in a multi-specialty hospital. I have seen thousands of patients under allopathy. But since past 4 years, I was observing that patients are not getting healed. The patients are not getting healed. The healing is patient should be free of medicine. Patient should be free of medicine. He should live, and he should not be a customer to somebody that every month some has to come, and the disease is still progressing. It is not decreasing. So I changed my point of view looking at the disease. I met Professor Park Jae-woo in 2008, who shared a very beautiful theory, Tri-Origin theory, and Smile philosophy, which is to see this world in a holistic way with smile. Now, all of us are talking about holistic medicine, holistic medicine. Here, I am going to show you some simple cartoons and simple animations and some patients' interviews to give you the exact idea how an allopathic doctor looks at the point of view of holistic world. Let's look into this. Let's take an example of a car as a human body. Car can have mainly 4 types of problems. Let's look at that. A car. If any of the nut bolt gets damaged in a car, suppose battery is not working properly, suppose car tire has blasted, it is not punctured, it is not working, speedometer is not working, some nut bolt is loosened up, what you will do? You will go to a mechanic, and that mechanic will just tighten that part of the car with his tools. Similarly, human body is like a car. It can have some nut bolt loose, like headache, some back disc prolapse happened, knee pains, or something happened. What you will do, you will take the advice of an allopathic doctor to tighten that screw. You can take homeopathy, you can see Ayurveda, and you can use acupuncture. And I choose simplest non-invasive technique, the microacupuncture of Sujok, to help my people. It is a very simple technique I choose. Whole of the healing is presented in the hand. God has made all the healing in the hand. And with this, I am able to help many people out of pain. In my clinic, anybody who comes with knee pain, back pain, cervical pain, or any kind of pain, we just heal it within minutes. Let's see some interviews. The master weapon, Sujok. All the body is represented in the hand and foot. Simple. Let's see. Then I did more research, and then I did research on the mudras. The Indian system of yoga has given beautiful mudras, and the mudra says all the Brahmand is contained in our hand. And these are some interviews, simple.
लेफ्ट नी में इतनी पेन थी कि आई कुड नॉट कंट्रोल माई सेल्फ. रात को नहीं सो पाती थी, चल नहीं पाती थी. मेरी बेटी ने मुझे बोला कि मामा यू मस्ट गो टू सुजोग. सो आई सेड शी इज जस्ट सेइंग इट. मैंने अवॉइड किया, पर अगेन एंड अगेन शी केप्ट ऑन रिंगिंग मी अप. आई केम. मैं जिसे आई हूँ, मेरे से चला नहीं जा रहा था. आई कुड नॉट वॉक. यहाँ आई, मेरे को उन्होंने कुछ ट्रीटमेंट दिया. आई डोंट नो व्हाट दे डिड. एंड ही सेड जस्ट खड़े होके दिखाओ. मेरे को थोड़ा डर लग रहा था कि मैं खड़ी होंगी तो मैं लड़खड़ाऊंगी. नो पेन एट ऑल. पता नहीं मिरेकल करा है, क्या करा, आई डोंट नो. उसके बाद आई वेंट होम एंड दे गेव मी सम चार्ट कि ये खाना. इमीडिएटली आई स्टार्टेड ऑन फ्राइडे. आई फेल्ट सो नाइस. आई मीन सो वंडरफुल फ्रॉम इनसाइड. वही सैलड खाया, वही चाय पी. मेरी पूरी फैमिली दे वांट टू हैव द सेम टी, दे वांट टू हैव द सेम सैलड, एंड एवरीबॉडी इज एंजॉयिंग इट. सब करने के लिए again today I have come here. Again I had little pain in the morning. I came here after 2-3 days. पता नहीं क्या बांधा है इन्होंने. I don't know what they have done, but wonders they have done. Absolutely no pain. Absolutely knee is painless. Thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you.
I just wanted to tell you about Sujog. It is something out of the world because I had come here, I had just heard from people. I came here, my thumb, which was paining since years and years, and I thought it was arthritis. The pain vanished in one day. And my shoulder, which was so stiff and paining for a month, well, now you can see I can turn it right back. The mobility is up, side, back, and I'm absolutely fighting fit. I can do my yoga. Cheers to Sujog.
मेरा नाम लाल बहादुर है. पहले मेरे को शुगर हो गया था. बाद में मैं यही ट्रीटमेंट कराया. फिर शुगर तो अभी ठीक हो गया है. बाद में हमारे हाथ में इधर और इधर दर्द था, तो ऐसा वाला व्यायाम कराए.
Mudras we use in this case. Simple mudras and 5 minutes.
अभी 10 मिनट करने से ये मेरा ठीक हो गया. अभी हाथ पहले ऐसे नहीं होता था.
This frozen shoulder was there for 10 years.
पीछे तक जा रहा है.
ये कब से था आपका?
ये तो 6 महीने पहले से हो रहा था.
कैसे हुआ था
ये तो कब से हो गया मेरे को पता नहीं लगा. बाद में ऐसे ब्लड.
Now, the other problem which the car can have, let's see. Holistic view. What is holistic view? The car has to go to a service station regularly so that proper washing is done, proper mobile is placed, proper greasing is done so that car works effortlessly. In the same way, human body is also a car. It is a Mercedes car. It requires daily servicing. All the joints, all the back, cervical has to be serviced. It requires yoga, it requires walk, it requires tai chi, and it has to be done daily. Daily once you have to do to maintain the servicing of the body. And we took this concept very seriously. And we studied tai chi, we studied yoga in detail, we studied all the Alexander technique, Gokhale method, and the result was I studied in detail Iyengar yoga, Alexander technique, Gokhale method. And this is the example. This lady has come to me 1 week back. She was suffering from severe back pain. She has shown to all the orthopedicians, all the neurosurgeons. Nobody could cure his back pain. I just saw the way she used to sit. And using the Alexander technique, we just corrected her posture. Let's just see. She used to sit before like this, and then after correction, she was sitting like this. She used to bend wrongly. This is a wrong bending. Alexander technique says your back should be very straight. And I just corrected her posture properly. The result was, look at the way she's standing before the correction and after the correction. Look at the way she's standing. Look at this so beautifully now. And she is, within 1 week, she says she has 80% relief. See, first how she used to sit. Slooping forward. This was the cause of back pain. And she used to bend like this.
बैक ऐसे राउंडेड नहीं होता.
Now, after my teachings of 1 week, she is teaching other people how you should bend.
My back is straight.
So
it's
happy.
like a tabletop, and I picked up. Now there is no strain on. So
The
when
proper
we
way
sit
of
on the
sitting,
chair,
simple
we
yoga.
keep our
I'm not a
buttocks
yoga
in.
expert, but I took
And
all the methods available in the world very seriously, and I combined all
side
of
of the
them
chair.
to heal people. So at our center, we cure
Now
back
with
pain
relaxed
100% of the
stretch your
times.
back. Then you can rest it on the towel like this and relax. That's it. In this way, our back is straight. Sitting position.
I like Tai Chi. Whenever I used to see these videos of Tai Chi from China, it was fascinating. And took it seriously. I studied all the movements of the Tai Chi and simplified them. And we developed a simple Tai Chi for Indian people called as Smile Tai Chi. And we take a camp and take all our patients and do Tai Chi for them, servicing of the body. These are all patients with pains. How beautifully they are doing. Okay, so in this way, at our center, we do service of the body. The scar, our human body, needs regular service, and we teach all our patients how to do simple yoga exercises, how we take them into trance with the exercises with the help of Tai Chi. We use Alexander technique, Gokhale method to correct posture for a better spine. And these simple manipulations, when I was in Ram Manohar Lohia Hospital writing medicines for thousands of patients, everybody was having back pain, leg pain, sciatica pain, and I was mercilessly writing antidepressants to them. One antidepressant, two antidepressant, amitriptyline, gabapentin, and they was getting sedated, but nobody was getting cured. So after this simple inclusion, holistic view, looking at a wider angle, patients are more and more happy. Now let's look more into the holistic view. The car can have a third type of issue. It matters which quality of petrol you put into your car. If you put a good quality petrol, means premium petrol, it will work for 20 years with a good average. But if you are not putting a good quality petrol, it will not work properly. In the same way, human body is a car which requires petrol. It requires two types of petrol. One is physical petrol, and the second part which I will talk is spiritual petrol. Let's talk here about physical petrol. It matters what you put into yourself. Whether you take French fries, non-veg, and Coke, or you take salad and fruits. So this simple view and diabetes, I met Dr. Bishwarup, and this view came into my picture, and the result was I studied all the pioneers of nutrition. I studied Dr. Michael Greger, Dr. Bishwarup Rai Chaudhary, Dr. Dean Ornish, Dr. T. Colin Campbell, Dr. Caldwell Esselstyn, and Dr. John McDougall. I did research. I read all their books, all their papers, and all their documents. And I developed, combining all these, I developed a consciousness called a SMILE Tri-Origin Food Consciousness. What is this consciousness? This consciousness is, there are 4 types of food in this world. There are 4 types of food in this world. 2 you should take and 2 you should not take. What is that? The food which comes directly from the zero world, from the God. Which food comes directly from the God? Sunlight. Sun is the God of our solar system, and the food which we directly receive as the God's blessing is sunlight. You should take more and more sunlight. It has been proven that if your vitamin D status is very good, you will not develop heart disease, you will not develop diabetes, you will not develop cancer. So I recommend the food which directly comes from the God should be taken more and more. Now, which food you should not take? The food which is extorted from the other species with killing instinct. When you trouble others, when you trouble other species, you take non-veg by killing, you take eggs, you take milk. It is the food which has been extorted with the wrong spirit. It is all about the spirit and consciousness. That food you should not take. It has been proven that if you take more non-veg, more eggs and more milk, the food coming from the zero world should be taken more and more. Food which is extorted from other species with killing instinct should not be taken. And the food which is artificially made by multinational companies with the spirit of earning profit, like if you look at any sabji wala or any farmer, they can never be rich because whatever they grow, it putrefies. But if you see Nestle, if you see Parle-G, or if you see any biscuits or anything which is packed, any namkeen, they are all adding preservatives to it. They are all adding oils to it so that it becomes preserved and it lasts more. Because no company wants to give you health. When the fruit grows on the tree, what the tree wants from you, it just wants to give you health. But when you eat Maggi, what Nestle wants from you, it needs money. That's all. The spirit, don't take any food which has been made by the consciousness, by the spirit of earning profit. Always take, what you should take is food which grows naturally under God's spirit in the earth. Food which grows naturally, fruits, vegetables, rice, grains, all are made naturally. They grow naturally under God's spirit. And if you take only these 2 things, food which comes from the zero world and food growing naturally under God's spirit, you will never develop any kind of disease. So, the vitamin D of sunlight, taken more and more. Don't take any animal foods like meat, egg, fish, and the dairy products. Don't take any refined, processed, or the preserved food, and take more and more vegetables, lentils, beans, fruits, and cereals. And this, now I will show you some interviews. That SMILE Tri-Origin Food Consciousness is so effective that this patient from Mumbai, Sharan, Dr. Sangeeta Shah, this patient reversed her stage 3 cancer with the whole food plant-based diet. वहाँ से play होगा. इसको लाना पड़ेगा आपको यहाँ पे.
I was advised immediate surgery, full mastectomy and chemotherapy and radiation. But on researching, I came to know that chemotherapy is highly toxic for the body. In fact, it causes cancer because it cannot kill the cancer stem cells and it does cause cancer. Radiation is again very bad. So I was looking for a solution which will let food be my medicine. And thank God in the very same month of May, I could find Sharan. And through Sharan's diet, I'm also doing naturopathy and homeopathy, but that came much later. Naturopathy was at the beginning. But my main is the food is my medicine, and I'm following it very nicely, very strictly, and very lovingly actually. Enjoying every day, every meal, loving my life, and thank God I have not visited any oncologist. And lumps in the breast have now reduced by half. I'm working, I go to the gym. Yes, I tell people that okay, I was diagnosed with cancer. Nobody believes it because looking at me, of course, nobody can come to know. I was given only 45 days to live. So this was a year back, and it's in May, that is. More than a year now, and I'm happily living my life.
It spread so
Second
much
life.
that
No, they said that's the cancer, you get a death sentence. Basically, with all cancer doctors, they'll give you a death sentence. If you don't do the surgery, I said, do I have 6 months? They said, no, 3 months. No.
These are the patients from my OPD. All the patients who are diabetics, I will very clearly say type 2 diabetes. I'm not confusing with type 1. All the patients who have type 2 diabetes, simply with food interventions, most of the times, 95% of the times, they are off the medicine. 2-3 patients interview, small interviews.
मेरा नाम हरीश तेरी है। मैं हरिबाग कॉलोनी पानीपत का निवासी हूँ। मैं लगभग 2 से 2.5 साल पहले तक डायबिटीज का पीड़ित था। इन 2 हफ्तों से पहले मैंने डाइट प्लान को यूज किया है, जिससे मैं कोई भी किसी तरह की गोली नहीं खा रहा। मेरी शुगर बिल्कुल लेवल पे आ गई है, बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ इस टाइम में, किसी तरह की कोई परेशानी नहीं है, बिल्कुल सही है शुगर मेरी। मैं टेबलेट ले रहा था वोगलिटोर 0.3, इससे मेरी शुगर का लेवल 180, 190, 200 तक था। उसके बाद मैंने टेबलेट चेंज की है, टेबलेट बंद हो चुकी है मेरी। डाइट प्लान के अकॉर्डिंग 140, 130 मेरी डायबिटीज है, बिल्कुल नॉर्मल है। अगर कोई
और खाना सब हिसाब से बताया, भाई इतना लेना है, इतना करना है। उन्होंने मेरे को मूंग की दाल भी बताई, भाई वो लेनी है। उससे मेरी शुगर 130 और 120 रहती है। खाना खाने के बाद भी 130 रह गई। मैं इतना खुश हूँ डॉक्टर पवन कुमार जी से, बहुत ज्यादा उनका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करता हूँ।
पहले आपको इंसुलिन लगता था?
हाँ जी।
कितने यूनिट लगता था?
30 यूनिट, 20, 30, 3 में 3 बार।
और शुगर कितनी रहती थी?
500, 450, 500 मीटर में भी नहीं आती थी।
अब इंसुलिन बंद हो गई है?
इंसुलिन बंद हो गई है। डॉक्टर साहब का मैं बड़ा शुक्रगुजार हूँ।
ठीक है, बताइए।
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम ओमकार सिंह है जी। मैं घरौंडा का रहने वाला हूँ। मैं 72 वर्ष मेरी उम्र है। मुझे 38 साल से पिछले शुगर थी। मैं जो ट्रीटमेंट पहले लेता रहा उसमें मैं 20 राइजोडेग मैंने इंसुलिन ली, उसके बाद 10 और 8 पर आ गया, लेकिन फिर भी शुगर 200 से नीचे कभी नहीं आती थी। मुझे सजेस्ट किया डॉक्टर साहब बधावन साहब के बारे में किसी ने, तो मैं इनसे कांटेक्ट किया था 2 महीने पहले। अच्छा। और मैंने इनके जो शेड्यूल है डाइट का, उस शेड्यूल को ज्यों का तो पालन किया है, और अब मेरी शुगर 115, 13, 14, 80, 84 खाली पेट और खा पी करके 14, 15 से ऊपर नहीं जा रही है। लेकिन मैंने डाइट को बिल्कुल पालन किया। मेरा सजेशन है कि लोग अगर अपने रहने की जिंदगी को इस डाइट के आधार पर बदल लेंगे तो शुगर नाम की कोई बीमारी है ही नहीं।
Now the 4th aspect, because I talked about one more thing, that is the spiritual petrol. Human body also requires one more petrol, the spiritual petrol. That is to be in smile, to be calm, to be smiling all the time, no matter whatever the situations. So in all the patients, one more thing I will be discussing, a small 10 minutes talk maybe there about this spiritual petrol. To maybe Sir Bishwarup will tell about saffron. I will be telling. I have done one research about how to cure depression and anxiety. That I may be talking, but right now what I do, the people who come to me and with diet, with acupuncture, with yoga, with this thing, if they are not curing, if they are not healing, which means they have a lot of stress, what we do, we take them to Bhopal, Sanchi. There's a nearby place, Sanchi. We have a small land there. We have brought a land, Peacock land, and we bring our patients there for Mentor of Holistic Medicine in Panipat. And it is just a 1-minute show about my center, and then I am ending. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Vadhavan. If there are any questions from the audience, please.
और मैं डॉक्टर विश्वरूप जी का बहुत बड़ा फ़ैन हूँ, हैदराबाद से आया हूँ। आपने जो टाई ची के बारे में जो बताया था, मेरा कहना यह है कि भारत में इतना खजाना है, कलरी पायटो, जो कलरी पायटो से आर्ट ऑफ ऑल द मार्शल आर्ट, तो मैं वो सिखाता भी हूँ और मैं योगा टीचर भी हूँ। तो जो डांस जो वहाँ पे लेडीज़ कर रहे थे डांस, तो यहाँ पे हमारे देश में भरतनाट्यम है, कुचिपुड़ी है, कथक है, काफ़ी सारे डांस। तो वो लोग जो डांस कर रहे थे उनको ये समझ में नहीं आया कि भाई हमारे भारत में तो संगीतों में भी, भजनों में भी हम डांस करते हैं, उसमें क्या बड़ी बात थी जो टाई ची ला के रखने की। मेरा बस यही कहना है, मतलब भारत से सारा ज्ञान है, बाहर से कोई ज्ञान नहीं है। मेरा बस यही कहना है, आप अपनी जगह सही हो सकते हैं, लेकिन एज ए भारतीय जो मैंने देखा है, जो मैं कर रहा हूँ, बस वही मैं कह रहा हूँ, और कुछ नहीं। धन्यवाद।
No answers for that. Any other questions?
मैं सीएम बीजाका जयपुर से। आप बधाई के पात्र हैं, बहुत बढ़िया आपका मतलब प्रेजेंटेशन, और यही टेक्निक से बच्चा भी इलाज करता है और पेशेंट्स मतलब तुरंत ठीक होते हैं।
थैंक यू
सर, धन्यवाद आपको।
हेलो सर, एक मिनट, एक क्वेश्चन सर, एक मिनट सर, आपने जो बताया कि स्माइलिंग का है, इसका भोपाल में है, इसका क्या स्माइलिंग का थोड़ा सा क्लियर करेंगे?
सर हम ट्वाइस अ ईयर हम स्माइल मेडिटेशन के कोर्सेज कराते हैं। जो लोग नॉर्मल इंटरवेंशन से ठीक नहीं हो रहे हैं, उनको हम यहाँ पे बुला के, अभी भी हमारा 1 अप्रैल टू 10 अप्रैल यहाँ पे स्माइल मेडिटेशन एकेडमी भोपाल में हमारे कोर्सेज होते हैं स्माइल मेडिटेशन के। आप अब मेरे से उसके बारे में जान सकते हैं और ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। नंबर मैं अभी कार्ड दूंगा सर आपको।
हेलो सर, जी नमस्ते। मैं कश्मीर से हूँ, तो हमारी एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है छोटी सी राहत, तो हम उसमें जो है मेंटल हेल्थ इश्यूज, जो हमारे बहुत सारे काउंसलिंग सेंटर्स है, तो हम नॉन फार्माकोलॉजिकल इंटरवेंशन से बहुत सारे जो मेंटल इश्यूज है उनको ट्रीट करते हैं। तो सर आपने अभी बताया कि एंजाइटी और डिप्रेशन के बारे में आप कुछ कहना चाहते हैं कि उसको किस तरह से नेचुरली ठीक किया जा सकता है, लेकिन शायद अब भूल गए।
सर अभी मैंने जो बताया मेडिटेशन के बारे में तो सारा यहाँ पे बता ही दिया मैंने, जो हम करते हैं। इसके अलावा मेरा एक छोटा सा स्टडी है सैफरॉन के ऊपर, वो मैं कल या परसों में 5-7 मिनट्स अगर मुझे ऑर्गेनाइजर्स देंगे तो उसको प्रेजेंट करूंगा कि हाउ आई एम डीलिंग विद डिप्रेशन, दैट सैफरॉन इज अ मिरेकल क्योर। अगर अभी भी 5 मिनट्स है तो आई कैन जस्ट प्रेजेंट राइट नाउ।
बहुत अच्छा था अगर आप
एक सवाल मेरा है। डॉक्टर साहब नमस्ते। डॉक्टर साहब नमस्ते। आपने बहुत अच्छे सुंदर तरीके से यह समझा दिया है। तो हमें एक बात समझ में अभी आ रही है कि आपने मॉडर्न मेडिसिन पढ़ के फिर बाद में इस थेरेपी को चुना है, तो अगर कोई आपके पास काउंसलिंग के लिए आए कि हम आगे क्या करें, यस और नो में मुझे बस आंसर चाहिए तो बहुत अच्छा बढ़िया होगा। विल यू डाइवर्ट हिम फर्स्ट टू दिस मॉडर्न मेडिसिन, देन टू नेचुरल, और फर्स्ट नेचुरल?
फर्स्ट नेचुरल।
थैंक यू।
Excuse me, sir.
Well, thank you very much.
Excuse me, sir. Actually, I'm Sister Alisha from Chandigarh. Actually, कुछ ये मेरे ख्याल से 1 year या 2 year back मेरा एक्सीडेंट हुआ था। So my totally 4-wheeler is lost, but मैं बच गई। So काफ़ी बड़ी बात है। Actually by God grace मेरे को कोई भी एक खरोच भी नहीं आई उसके अंदर, but मेरा ना सर्वाइकल स्प्रेड हो गया उसकी वजह से। पहले सर्वाइकल नहीं था, बट अभी उसकी वजह से स्टिफनेस हो रहा है शोल्डर में और बैक में काफ़ी ज़्यादा, और मैं ड्राइविंग नहीं कर सकती हूँ। और मतलब मैं पहले हाईवे ड्राइविंग करती थी, बट हाईवे ड्राइविंग तो बिल्कुल ही टोटली बंद है मेरी इस समय। बट मैं ड्राइविंग करती हूँ, लोकल करती हूँ। लोकल में भी मेरा हेडेक बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ जाता है। सो पीछे बैक में स्ट्रेस पड़ता है और शोल्डर स्टिफ हो जाता है, और मेरा वर्टिब्रास पूरा जो है वो स्टिफ हो जाता है। उसकी वजह से मेरा बैक में भी पेन है काफ़ी ज़्यादा, और ख़ास तौर से ब्रेन पे है, और पीछे बैक साइड पे काफ़ी ज़्यादा मतलब स्ट्रेस पड़ता है। रात को सोती हूँ तो बैक पे मतलब स्ट्रेस ब्रेन के ऊपर काफ़ी ज़्यादा इफेक्ट हो रहा है मेरा दैट टाइम। सो कोई सॉल्यूशंस इस समय?
सर्वाइकल इश्यूज को ठीक करने के लिए मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट जो है पोस्चर करेक्शन, अलेक्जेंडर टेक्निक, और सबसे आसान तरीका सुजोग एक्यूपंक्चर है। उसके लिए मैं आपको 2-3 मास्टर पॉइंट्स बता दूंगा, इट विल बी डन।
नहीं, आपको आगे जिसको भी बात करना है आप पर्सनली मिलिए।
सर,
वी आर अननेसेसरीली गेटिंग डिलेड। थैंक यू डॉक्टर वधावन।
सर
Now it's time to felicitate our
सर
speaker,
मेरा
Dr.
क्वेश्चन है
Pawan Vadhavan.
कि ये थेरेपी से कोई लो बीपी है
Applause.